Hello guys, AliExpress is celebrating now their grandest anniversary sale this season promo. They offer so much more. Now you can save much as expected. From thousands of products that you can choose for. From their trusted seller around the world. Like this one guys, this Dollar Express anniversary blowout. That's items that you can choose for. Jewelry accessories like necklaces, facial ring, power bank, smartwatches, and many more. For only 3 items for just 99 cents. You can check all the items and different categories from home, fashion, beauty zone for kids, babies, all you need, guys. He's explore these great deals. You can save up to 80% off in every purchase you make. From their top deals, you can find all trending stops just for you. Tier big discount categories, discounts that have from its price. A must-have categories where you can find all the great things that suits in your home at affordable price. You can see guys lots of coupons that you can say every time you pick an item. All you need to do is collect and get the code. You can use that code and every time you purchase. Or you can check all the codes at the description of every video. Let's try this one. A power supply unit. You can get this item for only $23 from its original price of $102 when you use their anniversary code. See guys, AliExpress now offering the summer season sale. Check AliExpress now and save more. Thank you.